going to take a look at the model railroad that's inside the Ellicott City Freight House. I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. I'm going to take you through the freight house where there was a model railroad and a video explaining everything. Now, I'm not going to show you the video, I'm just going to show you the model railroad, but you may hear the video in the background. If you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know why? Because it's free. It doesn't cost you anything to hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, ding that bell. It's right next to the subscribe button, and that'll notify you whenever I have a new video coming out. So let's get going with this right now. This is the freight house, and they got a model railroad in here, the entire length of it, which looks really good. And down at the other end is Ellicott Mills, where we're at right now, right where Debbie is. And I'll show you the entire thing with trains running and without them running. This is a nice layout here of the area from Baltimore to Ellicott Mills.
Nestled among the rolling hills and rich farmland of central Maryland, it was a bustling mill town in 1825. Local farmers brought produce to town for milling and trade and for transport to Baltimore by way of the Frederick Turnpike,
come over
the
here.
eastern extension of the National Road. A decade earlier, Thomas Jefferson had envisioned the idea of a national road as a way to increase trade and passage westward, connecting the Atlantic coast with the interior of the country.
This would be nice if it was for operating.
Baltimore, the third largest city in the United States at the time,
This is a nice
and
model.
situated further inland than other major ports, became the National Road's eastern gateway. Alternative routes in the form of canals were also being constructed, as traders and merchants looked for less expensive routes to the west. The Chesapeake and Ohio Canal Company was chartered by the Maryland legislature to build a canal that would run from the port of Georgetown near Washington through Cumberland and on to Pittsburgh. Residents and merchants feared that since the canal would bypass Baltimore and Ellicott's Mills to the south, that it would greatly affect their prosperity. Some business leaders even doubted the feasibility of the canal project. Two such men were Philip Thomas and George Brown. George Brown, a good friend of Thomas's, was director of his father's banking firm, Alexander Brown and Sons. Philip Thomas was president of Merchants Bank in Baltimore, and had served for a time as commissioner for Maryland in the C&O Canal Company. In 1826, Philip Thomas received a letter from his brother visiting in
See if we can get back behind there.
Stockton and Darlington Railway.
Okay, can't see much back there.
By steam-powered engines were being used to transport.
This is a nice building right here.
George Brown was also learning about a short line railway connecting Liverpool with Manchester. Thomas and Brown became greatly inspired by the news of these railways and set off to study the potential for building a railroad here in America. They believed that a westward route by rail was a more practical and less costly solution for Baltimore, and that the distance would actually be shorter by 140 miles than by the route planned for the C&O Canal. During the winter of 1826, several meetings were held at the home of George Brown to discuss the possibilities of constructing a railroad that would connect Baltimore to Wheeling on the Ohio River. In attendance were some of the most influential financial and political leaders from around Baltimore. In February, they finalized their plans and issued a formal resolution proposing the construction of the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad. On February 28, 1827,
oh, here we go. This
the
is
Maryland General Assembly,
this is where we are right now. This is it right here.
Granted a charter to
Ellicott
the
City.
Baltimore and Ohio Railroad Company, just 9 days after the plans had first
That's the
been submitted to the
Patapsco
public.
River right here.
The initial
Okay.
plans called for a set of double tracks that would extend from Baltimore to Oak Ridge Landing and on to Ellicott's Mills, a distance of about 13
That's how the
miles.
roundhouse was, or not the roundhouse, the
Ellicott
turntable.
family, who owned several properties
Okay.
between the river and what is now Maryland Avenue, granted free of charge to the B&O Railroad Company a tract of land to be used, the deed stated, as a place
Hey
of
baby, this right here is a model of where we're at right now.
So Ellicot's Mills,
Where we at
Maryland,
now?
was
Yeah, right here.
established a place in history
This area
as the
right here.
site of the first railroad terminus
This is
in America.
Ellicott City.
In December 1829, officials and honored guests began to make a series of experimental trips along the first completed section of track, a distance of 1.5 miles. From the beginning, the directors of the B&O had chosen horsepower as the most efficient method to transport passenger and freight cars along the rails. Nevertheless, horsepower transportation had its drawbacks, as each fresh horse could only pull a car 6 or 7 miles before stopping to be replaced.
It's amazing.
By May 1830, the railroad reached the end of the line at Ellicott's Mills, with 3 scheduled trips each day arriving from Baltimore. By 1831, the Ellicott's Mills depot was completed and open for service. The massive granite structure was also designed to act as a bridge to carry the railroad over the Frederick Turnpike.
Meade Area Railroad Society.
Passengers got on and off of the train across the street
1994
from the station and the
Meade Area.
Patapsco Hotel, where they boarded the train directly from the second floor platform of the hotel.
Okay, we gotta
The
look this
station
up
building
on
was designed
Facebook
with 3
and
sections. The south
see their
end of the
website.
building was the car house. A large
As soon as that
doorway provided access
video
for the
is
entrance
finished,
entering the station for
I'll
repair and maintenance.
hit the button.
An exhaust
Oh, they got
level
some
was mounted in the
a
ceiling
workshop
and
back
positioned
there.
directly above the entrance vacuum to
Alright.
permit smoke and steam to escape.
Amazing.
A second funnel was added later to accommodate the stacks on
And
the
they got push
horizontal
and hold
boiler
button
end.
to start model trains.
The
And then they
center
got
track
the different
room
scales
was the
over here.
station's warehouse. The room had a large opening in the floor that allowed goods to be lowered to the street level below. The north end of the building nearest to Main Street housed the station master's office. Below this was the freight agent's office and living quarters.
Good morning. I'd like to buy a ticket, please, to Harper's Ferry.
It wasn't until about 1857
And a video screen
that
up
the
there.
station building was
And here in the
free to
back,
service passengers, with the construction of 2
we
passenger
got a lot of
waiting
models
rooms
up
on
here
the second
displayed.
level. One for men and one
And
for
always
women.
get the lights in the display case.
During the
See if we
period
can
of
walk
the
up
Civil
here and get a
War,
better shot of it.
Ellicott City Station served the Union Army as an important
Okay, here we
supply
go.
for the transportation of food and materials.
Okay.
The Ellicott City Station continued to operate as a fully functioning railroad station
Shot over there.
until December 31st, 1949,
Okay.
when the last commercial passenger run pulled out the station, marking the end of an era. An era in history that lasted more than 120 years.
Oh, look at that one right
The
there.
history of the Great Railroad.
Let's see. Get that out of there.
As you view this historic site, you can take personal pride in knowing that you have contributed in part to preserving the history of the past for future generations.
The Mount Clear division of the National Model Railroad Association is in the process of perfecting the first 13 miles of the B&O. To your far left is a replica of the Mount Clear passenger station, which today serves as the entrance to the B&O Transportation
Okay.
Museum in Baltimore.
I'm going to turn this locomotive on over here and see what happens.
Okay.
Four stations, which exist sections side by side, each at a 45-degree angle to the main line.
There we go.
The shops and railroad yard were built on the estate of John Carroll Barrison. Mount Fair Mansion still stands in Carroll Park, near Monroe Street and Washington Boulevard. It was built of imported brick, yet not far away, the land later revealed a rich supply of superior brick clay. At the entrance to the Patapsco Valley is the Relay Hotel. In the first years of the railroad, before steam, horses were changed at the Relay House on this site. It is here that trains take the Metropolitan Branch to Washington over the Thomas Viaduct as the river at Orange Grove, a small valley community which is home to many a railroad movement. Continuing up the valley, railroad crossed the Patapsco River on the Patterson Viaduct, the second major stone viaduct built by the B&O.
So there is granite here. Okay.
Finally, we come to Ellicott's Mill, 13 miles from Baltimore, site of the oldest railroad station in America. We hope you have enjoyed your visit. As you leave by the door to your left, please feel free to pause and take a closer look at the model railroad. Thank you.
Oh, there's another one. I didn't see that one. The little saddle tank. He's going to come around here. And this will stop over here again.
Ellicott's Mills. Nestled among the rolling hills and rich farmland of central Maryland, it was a bustling mill town in 1825. Local farmers brought produce to town for milling and trade, and for transport to Baltimore by way of the Frederick Turnpike, the eastern extension of the National Road. A decade earlier, Thomas Jefferson had envisioned the idea of a national road as a way to increase trade and passage westward, connecting the Atlantic coast with the interior of the country. Baltimore, the third largest city in the United States at the time, and situated further inland than other major ports, became the National Road's eastern gateway.
I didn't know they had granite quarries around here. Didn't know it was granite.
As traders and merchants looked for less expensive routes to the west. The Chesapeake and Ohio Canal Company was chartered by the Maryland legislature to build a canal that would run from the port of Georgetown near Washington, through Cumberland, and on to Pittsburgh. Residents and merchants feared that since the canal would bypass Baltimore and Ellicott's Mill, their prosperity. Some business leaders even doubted the feasibility of the canal project. Two such men were Philip Thomas and George Brown. George Brown, a good friend of Thomas's, was director of his father's banking firm, Alexander Brown and Sons. Philip Thomas was president of Merchants Bank in Baltimore, and had served for a time as commissioner for Maryland in the C&O Canal Company. In 1826, Philip Thomas received a letter from his brother visiting in England, describing the newly built Stockton and Darlington Railway, where trains drawn by steam-powered engines were being used to transport coal from the mines down to the docks. George Brown was also learning about a short line railway connecting Liverpool with Manchester. Thomas and Brown became greatly inspired by the news of these railways and set off to study the potential for building a railroad here in America. They believed that a westward route by rail was a more practical and less costly solution for Baltimore, and that the distance would actually be shorter by 140 miles than by the route planned for the C&O Canal. During the winter of 1826, several meetings were held.
Well, you got a little history lesson in there also. Now, when I was recording it, I didn't hear any of it. It was just like blah, 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 blah in the background, but my cell phone picked up all the narration from that video pretty good. Okay, next video is coming up is going to be the Ellicott City Museum, and we're going to do the Pennsylvania Railroad Museum and the Toy Train Museum. And like I promised somebody on one of my other videos, I got the RS3 took apart, and I found what the issue was on it. That's it for right now. We have more videos coming up this month, so check them out, and don't forget to ding that bell so you can be notified whenever those new videos come out. And until then, we'll see you.